I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggplant. We'll start by selecting firm, medium-sized eggplants which are ideal for frying. Slice them into uniform 1/2 inch thick rounds or planks. Next, generously salt both sides of each slice. This crucial step draws out excess moisture, preventing soggy eggplant. Let them sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly under cold water and pat them completely dry. This preparation ensures a perfectly crispy result. Now let's set up our breading station for success. You'll need 3 shallow dishes. In the first, place about 1 cup of all-purpose flour. The second dish will hold 2 large eggs lightly beaten. For the third, use about 1 1/2 cups of seasoned breadcrumbs. Dredge each eggplant slice first in flour, then dip it into the egg, and finally, coat it completely in the breadcrumbs. This 3-step process creates that perfect, crunchy crust. With your eggplant breaded, it's time to fry. Heat about 1/2 inch of neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Aim for a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few breaded slices into the hot oil, ensuring you don't overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are wonderfully crispy. Transfer them to a wire rack to drain excess oil. Your delicious fried eggplant is now ready to enjoy. For the best texture and flavor, serve it immediately while it's still warm and crispy. A simple garnish of fresh chopped parsley or a light sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese adds a lovely touch. This versatile dish can be enjoyed on its own as a fantastic side, layered into a hearty sandwich, or even served with a warm marinara sauce or a zesty lemon garlic aioli for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.